Monday, January 13, 2025. Officers from the St. Louis County Police Department were dispatched to a call for a car crash at West Florissant Avenue. Officers were advised that the driver of one of the vehicles left the scene on foot and was firing a weapon at passing vehicles and into the air. As they monitored the incident live via video surveillance, investigators confirmed that the subject was in possession of a handgun and was shooting in the air while walking north on West Florissant Avenue. Two St. Louis County police officers arrived on scene to assist and observed the male subject carrying a handgun with an extended magazine walking northbound on West Florissant Avenue toward Ferguson Avenue. As the subject continued to walk, one officer attempted to make contact with him and ordered him to drop the weapon. The subject turned toward the officer and fired a shot striking the ground. What happens next may not be suitable for all viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Avenue. I got eyes on him at Solar.
801's on scene, got eyes on him at Solar.
6-2 out.
You have a call.
Out with him.
You have a call.
Jennings, notify Ferguson if you haven't already.
Drop the gun!
Oh, notify him. I got a first precinct coming too.
You have a call.
What's on your fire shot an officer? Fire shot an officer. Fire shot an officer.
You have a call. You have a call. You have a
Say why in the Ferguson black man blue shirt.
You have a call. You have a call. You have a call. You have a call.
Why are any officers here?
You have a call.
801, I'm arriving. I got eyes on him at Solar.
801's on scene, got eyes on him at Solar.
6-2 out.
You have a call.
Out with him.
Jennings, notify Ferguson if you haven't already.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Precinct coming too.
801, shots fired! Shots fired!
Fire shot.
Assault first, Elio! Running towards Ferguson! Black male, blue shirt!
Sir, we're on the Ferguson black blue shirt.
Get that motherfucker! He's pointing that fucking gun at me.
Any officers here?
Yeah, I watched him shoot. 801, he's still at Ferguson. We're gonna run him over. You ready? Yeah.
Where's he at?
1-4 to Ferguson. 1-4 to Ferguson. Hold the stage, we got potential truck. Hold the station.
Any officers hit?
I don't know. It was in his hand when we hit him.
Guys, I need a status. Is any of my officers shot?
Boy, we're taking him into custody. We're all secure.
Notify Ferguson if you haven't already.
We'll notify him. I got the first precinct coming too.
Fire shot an officer. Fire shot an officer.
Drop the gun! Get my car! Get my car! Get my car! Watch where you're shooting! When that fucking gun at me, he shot at you, bro. Yeah. I watched him shoot. I'm gonna hit him. We're gonna run him over. You ready? Yeah.
Where's he at?
Ferguson.
1-4 to Ferguson. 1-4 to Ferguson.
First one to Ferguson.